In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Paste Special in Microsoft Word and explain what Paste Special is used for. If you regularly copy content from websites, documents, spreadsheets, or other applications into Microsoft Word, Paste Special can give you more control over how that content is added to your document. First, open Microsoft Word and open the document where you want to paste your content. Now, find the text or other content that you want to copy. Select the content and right-click on it, then choose Copy. Next, return to your Microsoft Word document and place your cursor where you want the copied content to appear. Go to the Home tab and look for the Paste option. Click the drop-down arrow under Paste to see the available paste options. From the menu, select Paste Special. A Paste Special dialog box will now appear. This window gives you different options for controlling the format of the content you are pasting. One of the most useful options is Unformatted Text. When you choose this option, Word pastes only the text without bringing along the original formatting. This can be helpful when you copy text from a website or another document and want it to match the formatting already used in your Word document. Another option allows you to keep the formatting from the original content. This can be useful when you want the copied text to maintain its original appearance. Select the paste format that best matches what you want, and then click OK. The copied content will now appear in your Word document using the format you selected. Paste Special is useful because normal paste may automatically bring in formatting, fonts, colors, links, or other elements from the original source. Paste Special gives you more control over what Word places into your document. For example, if you are creating a report and copy information from another source, you can use Paste Special to paste the content as plain text instead of bringing unwanted formatting into your document. The exact options shown in the Paste Special window can vary depending on what you copied and where the content came from. Some types of content may provide more paste formats than others. After selecting your preferred option, review the pasted content to make sure it appears correctly in your document. And that's how you can use Paste Special in Microsoft Word. It is a useful feature whenever you need more control over the formatting and type of content you paste into a document. If you found this video